Hey MSquad, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Maxine, the girl with the kinks and the curls.
Tell me how you want it. Coming up, brother in the casket. Tell me how you want it.
In today's video, I will be showing you all in detail how I unravel my twist. So I have been doing this method for the past 2 months, and when I tell you I get the best results when it comes to twist outs, I get literally the best results ever. And it's very simple, but I just wanted to bring this onto my channel just to show you in detail how to unravel your hair so that you get the max definition as well as max volume. But before we jump into this video, if you like this video, you know what you gotta do. Please be sure to leave a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Wednesday as well as every Saturday. I post videos at 6 p.m. on Wednesday and 3 p.m. on Saturday. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that as well as turn on that post notification bell so that every time I post a new video, you are notified. And if you are not following me on Instagram, my name on Instagram is at Kinky Curly Mary. Without any further ado, we're just gonna hop into the video so you can learn how I always get the best twist out results. So let's get into it. All right, so these are what my twists are looking like. I did my twist the night before, so these are what they're looking like when I wake up. So what I'm going to be doing is taking my Kennedy Simone anti-itch hair growth oil, and I'm going to be using that oil to unravel my hair today. So it is very important to make sure that you use oil on your hands just to make sure that you cause 0 to no frizz. So as you guys can see, I am literally unraveling my twist in the opposite direction that I twisted them. And I find that when I do this method, it honestly works so well. And also I'd like to note that I am actually pulling on the bottom of each section that I unravel just because it helps me to find where my hair naturally wants to separate. So literally I would recommend you to make sure that you unravel in the opposite direction as well as tug on the twist at the bottom just so that you can find where your hair naturally wants to separate. And I have actually been doing this method for the past 2 months and I really like the results that I get when doing this. So yeah, it's fairly simple to do this. This is actually an up close shot so you can see what I'm talking about. So as you can see, I'm literally only separating where it naturally wants to separate just because I don't want to cause any type of frizz. And I don't think I mentioned this, but I use the Obia Naturals Twist Whip Butter to twist my hair. And honestly, y'all, this gave my hair so much definition as well as so much volume. But literally, my unraveling routine is super easy. You don't need to do anything too fancy to unravel your hair.
Oh, you meant the world to me. I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me.
Once I finish unraveling my hair, I take my Aquarian Beauty comb and I honestly just use it on my roots just to give myself a little bit more volume. I don't want to do too much to disturb the curl, so I just gently use the comb. And I wanted to point out that I actually did miss the twist in the back, and I wanted to show y'all that I am human. I do forget. So this usually happens to me. But yeah, I just unraveled the twist, and I honestly just love how my twist out turned out. And that is all for today's video. Literally, it is so simple to get the best twist out results. You just need to make sure that you pay attention to your hair, learn your hair, and learn how to unravel your hair. I've just learned that this works the best for me. As you all know, I did do a detailed twist out routine, and I will link it in the iCard so you can check it out. In that video, I show you how I get the best twist out, just period. And then in this video, I'm just gonna show you how to unravel your hair so that you get max definition. But yeah, guys, I really love how my hair turned out. I will leave the details as to what I used in my hair inside the description box, so be sure to check out the description box to learn what I used in my hair for this twist out. But thank you for watching today's video. If you like this video, please be sure to leave a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Wednesday at 6 p.m. as well as every Saturday at 3 p.m. And if you're not following me on Instagram, my name on Instagram is @KinkyCurlyMary. Until next time, MSquad, peace and love always. Bye, y'all.